Guys, how to download Cydia Cloud. Open Safari and write Cydia, Cydia space CLOUD. Go on first link, open and scroll down and Cydia download, click. Start Cydia Cloud. Device verification complete. That's mean your device is Cydia. Apps running. Appability. And install. Click and Cydia file install. Now click to add to home screen. Hello, yeah. This website is typing to download a configuration profile. Do you want allow this? Click allow and close and go to setting and profile download, click and install. Type your password and install. Done. Go to VPN. And connect. And go to Cydia apps, open, wait few minutes and finally open Cydia Cloud. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel, like, share and comment. Thank you.